Are you concerned with the loss of energy in your home? Are you trying to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer? And you're wondering why your bills are so high? Let me show you one reason why that could be. Has anyone ever showed you that you can insulate your light switches as well as the plugs in your walls? You can. Let me show you how. These are light switch sealers. They will insulate the space behind your light switch. They come 6 to a pack. All you do is detach them just like that. These, if you have a flip switch or a square switch like mine, you just take the centerpiece out just like so. It also has an area top and bottom where your screw will go. So let's take your faceplate off. What you'll need to take your faceplate off is a screwdriver. Whatever type of screw you have is the type of screwdriver you'll need. I have a flat head, so that's the screwdriver I'm using. Be careful not to lose your screws, but take your faceplate off. No matter if you are renting a home or if you bought a home. If you like to save money on your energy costs, here's where you can do it. Take your faceplate off. You see that big space in there, all that hole? That right there is going to allow air, heat to leave your home. You want to insulate that. So what you do is you take your sealer and you place it just like that around your switch. Now you can see that there are still some gaping spaces. What I do is I take this centerpiece that I took out of here and I cut strips and add the strips along the sides where I have any excess opening. So let me show you that. Now that I have my strips, let's fill in those holes. Now you can use double-sided tape and tape the back so it can hold it there. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do my best to hold it with my hand until I can get the faceplate in place. And then I'm going to sandwich this in by the faceplate. And if you can see any of this after your faceplate is on, take an X-Acto knife and slowly and meticulously slice through it and remove the excess. That way you don't see it when your faceplate is on. But you cover up all those voids that was made by whomever was putting these holes in your wall to create this space for your light switch. See, just like that. And if you have any more areas that you need to fill, you just add another cut piece. So as you can see here, I did not punch the holes through. I'm not going to do that. Let's put your faceplate on, just like so. And let's get the screws. Now that you have your faceplate on, try and hold it with one hand. Push your screw slightly through that foam and begin to secure it down. I hope you all can see. Hope my hand is not in the way. But try and secure that down just like so. Now get your other screw and do the same exact thing. Push through the foam. You want to make sure that you're not scratching your wall or stabbing through your sheetrock, but push through. And if you accidentally scratch your screw, if you have any touch-up paint, go ahead on and touch that up. As you can see, this is not easy to do with one hand, but that's what I'm trying to do. And then you screw it back on, making sure that you put it on tight, but not so excessively tight that you crack your faceplate. Just like so. You'll know when to stop. It'll start giving you a little pressure. And again, if you've scratched your screw like I did here, just take a little a little touch-up paint and cover that over. No big deal. And that is how you insulate your switches. And you can do the same with your plugs. And if you can see any of that, right now it's really soft, it's pliable. You can push it down with your finger. You can use a screwdriver and push it down. But that right there will insulate your light switches and your plugs. This way, your home, no matter if you're renting or if you own, is losing energy through your wall switches and plugs. I learned that tip from an electrician a long time ago. So if you're like me and you want to save as much money as you can, anywhere you can, go to your local home supply goods store, big box store, get you some of those light switch or plug sealers and seal it off, guys. And you'll see over time, you'll spend a little less on your energy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps somebody. Bye for now.